Hi there, I'm Dave Koch. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in kind of a typical little townhome, small, kind of a little cramped, but as you can see, nice white walls. This will be easy to light. And I thought I'd just go over how I light a situation like this. First, let's take a look at what shot we're going to get. I like to start with the first shot or the first thing you're going to see when you walk into the room. So that's pretty much this. I'm at the front door and we're seeing the kitchen, the dining room, and into the living room. So that's kind of where I'm starting out. So how would you light this? Where would you put lights? I have a couple of considerations. One is dark spots like the dining room and the living room. The other is I want natural looking light. So that means light coming from there and then light coming from here. I guess I have a third consideration, and that is hiding the lights, at least for the initial shot. So this is already actually pre-lit. I've got the lights exactly where I want them. And as you can see, they're hidden from view from this shot. So that's a good first shot. Let's take a look. As I said, I thought this was really dark, so I wanted to get some light from in here. My first choice would be to put a light right in there, but there's very little space. If I open this door and put the light on top of it, I can't really fit a light up there. So my easiest cheat space is right there. So that's where I'm going to put the light that's going to come in here. And then I'll need something to light in there, and that'll be that. This is what I mean about needing space. I can put that in there, and that should fill in this whole entire space. That leaves the living room being a little dark, as you can see from there. So I'm going to fill with an 8100 Pro from there and fill this in. I already know I'm going to need two lighting setups to get this. This is the initial. The second lighting setup, I can put the lights in the shot and use that shot, that initial shot, to hide the light units. So that's the one that I'll do light where I show light coming from in here, by putting a flash right above it right there and other things like that. So usually in a situation like this, I'm going to do two flash layers. All right, so let's set up our shot. First, we're going to tighten this down. That's going to be roughly what I want. Get a rough exposure. I think we're going to turn it a little bit more like that. Zoom in just a teeny bit. I think right about there should be pretty good. Let's level it. It's kind of hard with one hand. I apologize. And then level it there. And that should be about what we want for our ambient. So let's go ahead and knock out an ambient. We'll go 3 exposures, 2 stops apart. Put it in a 2-second delay. Oh, I think we need to do that focus thing. Let's get that down right on the dining room table. Focus that. And there we go. Let's nail that. So 1, 2, 3. All right. And then we've got a nice day. I don't have to underexpose too much to get my flash exposure. So this is my first flash of the day. So it could be wildly wrong. I know A is wrong. I'm going to take A up to 4 or 2 even. Let's see. C and D around 4. I think that'll work. Let's see what we get. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Need to. There we go. Wasn't quite on the base. There we go. That's working now. 3, 2, 1. And that looks pretty good. We've got a bright spot there. I know about that. It's still dark in there, but all this looks pretty good and even. So let's do our second light setup. I'm going to go ahead and put this right up here to mimic this light. I like that up there. And then we're going to move this because it was dark in here. So I'm going to fill this out in here by putting that right there and just letting that kind of fill in. And then probably just going to move that to right here. And that should get us another flash between those two flashes, we should be really good for a picture. Let's try it. And 3, 2. Okay, we're a little too bright. Let's see, I think that's C. So we're going to bring C down a little bit. And we're going to bring A down a whole lot. And let's try that again. That looks pretty good. We've got the hotspot where the flash is, but that's to be expected. But the rest of that looks pretty good. Maybe bring D up just a little bit, just to fill in that living room or the dining room. There we go. Let's see. Yep, that looks pretty good. So basically my thought is I'm using flash to mimic natural light and to fill in the areas where the light isn't good enough and to fix the problem. So that's what I'm using flash for. I don't want it to be flash forward. I want the flash to be subtle. So that's how I set my levels. So that's how I attack this problem. Anyway, I hope you learned something. If so, like and subscribe, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, may your next shoot be your best shoot.